I always encourage my clients on a big time project that they're working on, something that's very important, is to entertain the thought of hiring someone other than the person that's mixing the track to do the master.
Okay.
And that's just me. There are plenty of engineers that will do both at a very high level, and they'll already have themselves set up. You don't have to send a bunch of files back and forth. You don't have to worry about things getting mixed up along the way. It's very straightforward to do that. But just me personally, if I'm doing the mix, I'm not always going to be doing the master.